Little Brother is a comedy starring the recently ring-retired from WWE John Cena, the GOAT himself, and comedian Eric Andre. Cena's a real Thor trying to get into a reality show to impress his more successful real brother in the show, played by Christopher Maloney. The biggest plot twist for me, or maybe I just missed it in the trailer, is that Eric Andre's character isn't even Cena's real brother, but a charity brother he did years ago. He comes to see Cena because he feels he needs his help, gets into an accident, and that leads him, Eric Andre, to living with Cena, and shenanigans ensue. Okay, hot take, but for me, it was a generic comedy film. I'm not an Eric Andre fan by any means, but honestly, I don't think it would have mattered much in the long run. Personally, the few times where Eric was being more sentimental resonated with me more than the crass humor and the sex jokes. As for co-stars, Michelle Monaghan as Cena's wife and Sherry Cola, great name by the way, as Mia, Cena's assistant, are definite standouts. So yeah, watch Eric Andre make John Cena uncomfortable for an hour and a half, absorb the feel-good ending, and watch Little Brother. And yes, there are outtakes. That's it for me. Cheese pull out.